Smoke is a made-in-the-USA plugin suite consisting of 3 different plugins that include emulations of rare units from the late 50s to the present day. This suite includes hands down some of the best tube gear ever built in the pro audio market. Their valve sound is classic and absolutely unparalleled as it dominated the sound of radio hits in the 60s. Let's use the Smoky EQ on this drum track. The hardware unit is clearly inspired by Purple-style EQ. This model incorporates more HF boost frequencies and is a true stereo EQ featuring a true passive EQ circuit that can create rich and musical curves with a distinctive sound thanks to its custom amplifiers and transformers. Let's check out the Smoke comp on this drum bus. The Smoke comp is a plug-in version of one of the most legendary Tube Dynamics processors from the 60s. It features 3 different modes: single, which is super smooth for bass tracks, double, which is ideal for most sources, and triple, which allows you to limit fast transient waveforms while maintaining great musicality. In this case, we will use the double mode. Let's process the following bass track. We will use the Smoke channel strip so that we can use both the EQ and compressor at the same time. This time we use the single mode, which has a slower attack time, very useful when you want to keep the initial transient intact. Let's see the two tracks processed so far together. And that's all for today. Up to next time, peace.